Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
I mean, it's alright, like, overrated as fuck, in my opinion. I mean,
that's what I'm talking about. This shit means something to me, man.
It's good. That's good shit right there.
Thanks! Love you!
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's doing me! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Yeah, boy.